this set of problems, I'm going to evaluate without using a calculator. So in this first problem, we need to find the least common denominator between all these terms since we're adding and subtracting. So I'll take my largest number, 12. Is 12 a multiple of 8 and 6? Nope, so I double that, get 24. Is 24 a multiple of 8 and 6? Yes. So that's my LCD. I'm going to take the numerator of my first fraction, 3, multiply it by whatever factor you need to multiply its denominator by to get the LCD. 8 times what is 24? So the answer is 3. Minus my next fraction's numerator 1 times what LCD factor do you multiply 12 by to get 24? 2. Plus my next fraction's numerator 5 times what LCD factor is missing from this denominator. To turn 6 into 24, you multiply by 4. So if I simplify what I have here, 9 minus 2 plus 20 all over 24, and that combines into 9 minus 2 is 7. Plus 20 gives me 27 over 24. This can be reduced. I have a common factor of 3 into both of these. 3 goes into 27, 9. 3 goes into 24, 8 times. So that would be my simplified form. In problem B, here I have factors I'm multiplying, so I can look to cancel any common factors. So the 4 and the 4 cancel. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 2 goes into 12 6 times. And 3 goes into 6 2 times. And so that just leaves a factor of 2 as my solution. And then finally I'm combining these two numbers. So division is like multiplying by the reciprocal. So here I get 7 over 11 times 1 over 14 minus, here I just multiply through, 3 times 1/2 is just 3/2. 7 goes into 14 twice. And so I'm looking at 1 over 22 minus 3 over 2. When I look to combine these into a common denominator, my LCD will be 22. I have 1 times the, what do you multiply 22 by to get 22? Just 1, so you leave it as it is. Minus the next fraction's numerator 3 times what do you multiply 2 by to get 22? 11. And so when I simplify this, I get my solution 1 minus 33 over 22, and that simplifies to negative 32 over 22. I can do one last simplification because there's a common factor of 2. Each of these, 2 goes into 32 16 times, 2 goes into 22 11, so I get negative 16 over 11 for my solution.